I'm sure that many will agree with me. Rice is a dish for all seasons. I actually can't do without it even in the summer. Today we'll prepare together a really tasty dish, courgette rice. Let's start. We start immediately by putting on the fire the vegetable broth that must be salted and simmering. In this other pan instead, a nice round of oil. Then I'll add the white onion that I cleaned and finely chopped. Instead of the white onion, even leek or spring onion will do. But if you want to be cool, you already know, shallot. I let the onion sweat at low temperature. If you notice that the bottom is drying out too quickly, add some hot broth. The onion is well stewed, meaning I can now raise the temperature, and then I dip the rice because I must toast it. It will take a couple of minutes, but we have to stir it often to prevent the grains and onion from burning. Here's the rice, see? It has changed in color, almost became transparent. It means it is well toasted, and it needs deglazing with white wine. This is the noise that a good deglazing should make. The wine has completely cooked off. Let's immediately wet it with broth. Mind, the risotto should never be stirred too much and the broth should be added little by little, so pour it if needed before the rice has completely absorbed it. In the meantime, we take care of the courgettes. I have already washed and dried them. Now let's start. I trim them and shred it with a grater with large holes. I will add some raw so they will keep their delicate flavor, but if you want to make them tastier, just flash fry them in the pan and add them at the end of the cooking, you will see. Halfway into rice cooking, I'll add the courgettes. I'll stir it and keep going for a few more minutes. The rice is ready, turn off the stove and we can stir it with butter and Parmesan cheese that are fridge cooled. A generous grinding of pepper. And finally hand-torn mint leaves. Let's stir it well, and now, if needed, you can also add some broth to adjust the consistency. Looking for an original creamy effect, you can add some Greek yogurt or Robiola cheese to add acidity and creaminess to the dish. Perfect! I'll cover it with the lid and let it rest a few minutes before serving. Here is the summer-free version of my rice. Below you will find the link to the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you will find doses, ingredients and step-by-step explanations. If you liked this video, do not forget to put a nice like. And then if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Mind, if you still haven't done it, subscribe to the channel so we'll stay up to date with the news. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and then let me know.